In the pursuit of safe water for all, no individual saves the day. Many hands get the job done. There are no magic bullets, no simple fixes. No single solution or organization can solve the global water crisis. It's sometimes 2 steps forward, 1 step back, a test of endurance that demands perseverance. It's a system of many parts, skills, and investments that delivers safe water, made of different service providers working together to leave no one behind. It's about everyone having a hand to play, from citizens and experts to officials and ministers, building a system in service to all, to ensure individual lives are transformed and communities empowered by a simple truth: water is life.
Kala na hure kinig nokto agenda go kwifo nagamba baitu munu government ke kareta amezi habaki ntafuna amezi agange nkaruga muto hanyuma hakabari abantu bengi nogenda saha 2 n'urga isaha musanju nkagenda mu ofisi aho eyitu hano Rihamba naroro Minyoro Bosco namgamba ninyenda amezi kale twamara emyezi nkeina tutakagafunire bangamba bintu bizire kandi nayiwe mubasabira amezi nayiwolu nanya nagamba mukama yebale etoke imbere nintera haizibu tinjayongera gitera abo kubamba hulirize bitu kubantu bazito ba customer bavu imbagama mana twine amezi twafuna mukizibu twine amezi mba making sure kurora abantu ha amezi.
Building universal services is a complex task. Citizens must be motivated to pay for water and become empowered consumers. This requires professional service providers to ensure safe, sustainable water and meet demand, which in turn requires investment. Creating this virtuous circle has been a key driver for the partners of the Conrad N Hilton Foundation Safe Water Initiative.
My secret is that I always allow the technocrats to work. It is the technocrats that help to provide us with the support of the various partners. So if it comes to achieving which objective, I'll have to find out from you, what have you done? You need to be responsible for your work because you are here as a planning officer.
District leadership has played a vital role in enhancing services in Asutifi North, encouraging the combined talents of everyone and delivering a clear plan.
The uniqueness of the Safe Water Partnership in Asutifi North is the fact that partners are able to leverage on their unique strengths and capacities.
We want to make sure that people get water. And now I can tell you from where I sit that Kenya is number 1. They don't have problem with water. So we are like watch center. Everybody comes here to learn from us.
Success, where all people in a district have a reliable safe water supply, may mean several different service models working together. Community managed, private, and public utilities to reach the big towns, villages, and small hard-to-reach hamlets.
There is no a black and white, or there is a blended way of disharmony the service delivery models.
For small communities, you may prefer West Coast. For a little bit larger, you may use the water reserve association, even for more complex and larger multi-village. Or some urban communities, you may prefer the utility.
If we make it like utility managed for small number of people, that people were not able to cover the cost of operation and maintenance.
Government is seeing the role of small enterprises and private ones like Safe Water, and then coming together to make sure that we don't crowd in one area. There's a whole big space for all of us to play, so that at the end of the day, water to communities is not only by the government, but for all of us to play our part.
Much of the daily work of the Safe Water Initiative is supporting the professional development of service providers.
So, of course, beginning was not easy. We really didn't know what we were supposed to do.
Our work with Midwest Umbrella has been on supporting the umbrella to be a professional utility and a well-performing utility. So what we've been doing over the years covers all aspects of utility management, across from governance, commercial aspects, technical aspects, finance and accounting, customer service. So all the factors that ensure water is delivered safely to the residents that require it.
የውሃ ታሪፍ ከሌለ ማህበረሰቡ ውሃ ገንዘብ ካላዋጣ ሊቀጥል አይችልም። ስለዚህ እነዚህ የታሪፍ መመሪያዎችንም አውጥተን በተለይ ለገጠር ለከተማ ምን መሆን አለበት የሚለው ለይተን ያወጣንበት ሁኔታ አለ።
We wouldn't expect this money to be coming from either central government or any other body, but from the people actually who are consuming this water. And once they pay, it is actually 100% focused on ensuring that the service in these systems is maintained and they are able to continue getting water.
Where we are is Kasenda scheme, one of the schemes managed by Midwest Umbrella. Now, here you are seeing solar panel. Where we are down there, there was a generator and a sump. So we have a hybrid pumping system. And this is just to enhance the financial viability of this scheme.
Optimizing the delivery of water services narrows funding gaps. It helps raise the service standards for everyone. Even then, sometimes subsidies are needed to make sure that the poorest households can access a good water supply.
The Midwest, same as other umbrellas, targeting rural growth centers and towns, it means they were developed as a pro-poor institution. Now, for an institution to be able to provide this, it has to perform optimally. And in performing optimally, it means that there has to be enough and good management of financial resources. There has to be good governance to oversight all this. And there has to be good infrastructure, which is well maintained and expanded based on the growth.
Then later, we realized that though we've been able to increase our revenue collection, but we need the customer. How do we bring the customer closer to the umbrella? And one of the things that we did was to acquire a toll-free number whereby customers would call in when they have any issues, when they are complaining, when they are not happy with the service, and these issues would be addressed.
And for a customer to be happy, you must be able to provide the services in a more continuous manner. That is why the areas of focus from governance, commercial, technical, customer service, all these are geared towards ensuring that the customers, the least wealthy being our main priority, are able to enjoy the services.
Around 85% of our customers are satisfied with our service, to the extent of now demanding that umbrella organizations should take over schemes. We now have a sense of direction. We know what we are supposed to do. So they've given us knowledge, they've mentored us, we've been handheld for some time, and then at least now we are somewhere. We are walking, and I know with time we'll be running.
Safe Water Initiative partners act as catalysts of change, actively planning, testing, and honing solutions that can then be taken to scale.
Ya fara sintina ya wanchire ya pa ba mushin ba ne ne ya myen ya buayen ne dof esa me chance ya ne na e bia e de me nya nipa bia 3 4 laundry no nso mema kuro mu no nyinaa obiara tumi baby.
I think delivering safely managed water to anyone means it is everything for that person.
They have to get it the right to have to get water supply. So if people are getting these services, I am very proud. I am very happy. That's why we are working day and night.
Oh, so we have say my free. So my park water. No, they are quite sure. No, Abba, no metal ewo. No battery aba so bagi miska. Ba we no ba ya no. And answer my phone. Okra me nim ye, me ba tell one no nim ye.
Amezi amarungi gakahindura obumezi bwange. Kandi amezi amarungi negahindura obumezi bw'abantu.